Viva. May large pa bang t-shirt? Yes po! Papakita ko nga po pala sa inyo yung mga t-shirt. Jacqueline! Pasuyo na mga t-shirt. Pasuyo na mga t-shirt. Guys, ihabol nyo na kasi bukas na po ipapaship. Meron pa pong 10 t-shirt na natitira. Ang natitirang t-shirt po is 2 small, 4 na medium, 3 large, at saka 1 XL na lang po, 2 small, 4 na medium, 3 large, at saka 1 XL na lang. Ito po yun. Papakita ko lang po sa inyo guys. So, ito po yung t-shirt. Meron po yan. Ayan, meron po yung hanging hang tag. Ayan. Ito po, pwede nyo siyang ipil. Sticker po to, sticker. Pwede nyo siyang ipil, sticker yan. Pwede nyo kuhanin yan ay nakukuha. Sticker po ito, yung tindahan ni Pabi. Tapos, ang size po neto is medium. Ayan, medium size. Ako po yung nag-design neto, yung tindahan ni Pabi. Ako po nag-design yan. Ako po yung gumawa netong Pande Pablo. So, abangan nyo rin po yung susunod ko na merch. Kung ako sa inyo, kunin nyo na to. Para kayo lang yung meron. Kasi 15 pieces lang po to. 14 lang po yung ilalabas ko. 14 lang. So, 14 lang po ang meron na ganito. Yung susunod na ilalabas ko, siguradong magugustuhan nyo yun kumpara dito. Pero syempre, ito yung pinaka una kong t-shirt na merch. Ayan, ito yung una kong t-shirt na merch. Kaya maganda sana kung makapag-collect kayo, di ba? Tapos kung sino makakapag-collect ng complete hanggang matapos tong taon na to, meron tayong pa-reward. Di ba? Meron tayong special something. Something special na ibibigay dun sa mga makakakompleto. So, ayan. Tingnan natin. Magkano isa pa? 1.5 po. Ayan. Ito siya. Ito po yung harapan. Yan siya. Ayan, tignan niyo po yung tela. Ayan siya, oh. Tignan niyo yung tela, guys. Oh. Tignan niyo yung tela. O yung pagkakatahi. Ayan. Tapos ito naman yung, ayan yan, Pande Pablo. Tapos ito yung likod. Kape na lang kulang. Yon. Ay, kumuha ka ba? At Ate Irene Canonio ng t-shirt. Kumuha ka ba sa akin nung naka-live ako or ngayon pa lang? Bukas na po ipapaship to. Yung mga nag-order din ng mug, meron pa po tayong 4 na piraso na natitira. Kunin nyo na. Para bukas ipapaship na. Iuutos ko to kay JB. Yan. Para, alam nyo yun, o kaya kung sino yung mga taga Manila dyan, gusto nyo, wag ko nang ipaship. Kasi, sa Pride March, nasa Quezon City kami. So, pwede nyo kuhanin ng personal sa amin. Kung gusto ninyo. O kaya ilalala-move na lang. Ngayon pa lang sabay mo na sa mag-collage ha. Okay po. Ate Milani, may t-shirt dito. Nagpahiwalay si Ate Ria para sa'yo. Ikaw daw magbabayad. Large. Ito oh. Ito, medium size. Medium. Ito yung extra large kay Mary May. Ayan, ito yung extra large. Ayan, ayusin ko na to mamaya. Ayusin ko na to mamaya, guys. Yung mga may order ng t-shirt. Tapos sa mug, guys, meron tayong available pa na 4. So, ito po yung mug. Pare-pares tayo. Ayan. Ito yung mug. Ayan siya, guys. Para pagka nagkakape kayo. Tignan nyo. Ayan. Diba? May mug. Ate Milani, pina-reserve ka din ni Ate Ria ng mug. Hindi ko doon magbabayad. Ayan. Ayan yung mug. Meron na rin yan. Thank you for buying. Diba? Tapos andyan na yung INI ng tindahan ni Pabi. So, ayun. Mag-message lang po kayo sa tindahan ni Pabi, sa INI, kung gusto nyong bumili. Ang available na lang po na size ng t-shirt is 2 small. Ay, large pala, Ate Iron Canonyo. Large pala sa'yo, no? So, ano na lang, 2 small, 4 na medium, 2 large, na lang natitira, at saka 1 XL. Yon. So, ayun po. Sa mga gustong bumili ha, mga gustong magpa-reserve na kayo para bukas maisabay na sa pagpapadala. Kung naman gusto nyo ipasabay sa Manila, dahil nasa Manila kami bukas, magsabi po kayo agad para hindi na namin ipa-ship. Yan lang. Para hindi na namin ipa-ship, guys, para kunin nyo na lang sa amin sa Manila. Or ipalalamove sa Manila. Yan. Mamaya kita tatawagin pa. Mamaya ka mag-guess. Huwag mong anuhin yung kuting. Si Coco. May guest tayo mamaya, guys. Si Coco. Ayan. So, yung mga gusto magpa-reserve na po kayo. 9 na lang po yung available natin sa t-shirt. Yes, nasa Tarlac po ako. Hindi tayo mag-mari ko. Diyos may marima. Ate Ria, di ba pinareserve mo si Ate Melanie? Libre mo daw siya eh. Hindi daw siya yung magbabayad. Ikaw daw. Coco, huwag mo na yun yan. Oh, guys. Ang tawag dito? Saan yun? Guys, bili na po kayo ng yelo. 5 piso lang. Gumawa nga pala ako ng yelo kanina, guys. Tignan niyo yung daliri ko. Ay, nabakbak. Di ba yung yelo, pagka gagawa kang yelo, tapos gaganon mo, tapos gaganyan. Tatali mong ganon. Yun o. Nabakbak. Ang dami kong yelong ginawa kanina. Titinda kami ng yelo, guys. Pili kayo. 5 piso lang isa. Nanay LB, nasa Laguna po kami bukas. Pag gusto mong bumili, dadalhin ko na lang sa'yo. May taping ako sa Beauty Empire. Oy! Coco, wag mo. May taping ako bukas sa Beauty Empire. Baka gusto mong pumunta doon, Nanay LB. Coco, stop! Ay, pinaglalaruan yung plastic. Doon pa rin, Nanay LB, kung saan mo ako pinuntahan. How do we deal with toxic people? How do we deal with toxic people? English siya, guys. Teka lang. Paano tayo nakikipag-deal sa mga toxic na tao? Paano ba? Wait lang. Yeah, ako, Nanay LB. Coco, stop mo na yan. Ay, nako. Pinaglalaro. Ay, si Coco. Halika nga. Plastic yan eh. Nga. Coco. Ay. Coco ha. Bad na. Bad. Masyado ha. Good evening, Crisanyo. Yes, Ate Melanie, 1.8 lang po. Mag na yun, tsaka isang t-shirt. Yan. Tapos, update ko po kayo sa mga bumili. Yung shipping po, update ko po kayo bukas kung magkano yung mga shipping. Abonohan muna yung mga shipping na yun. Tapos, sasabihin ko na lang po sa inyo kung magkano. Tsaka nyo na lang po isend sa akin yung shipping. Pero yung halimbawa, around Manila, ganyan, ang shipping lang naman yan, hindi naman, mga siguro 100 plus, ganun. 100 plus lang. Tapos yung pagkapalawan, mga siguro less than 200, ganyan. Sasend ko na lang sa inyo yung mga resibo tomorrow, tapos balik nyo na lang sa akin yung inabono ko sa shipping. Pwede kayo mag-request, guys. Yung mga ano, magpipiling singer muna tayo dito. Pipiling singer muna tayo ng... Kanta tayo ng mga pang tita kasi nandito yung mga tita nation eh. Nandito tayo. Nandito yung mga tita nation kaya kanta muna tayo tita nation. Yung gagawin ko muna ang sound card itong ano. Ito muna ang gagawin ko sound card. Ay, thank you, Ate Melanie! Thank you sa pagbili. Thank you sa pagbayad ng ni-reserve mo. Maraming salamat. Kisame pa. O, sige na nga, May Mariana. Ito na nga, o. Kisame. Kisame karaoke. Ayan na. O, nagbubudulan yung mga magmare ko yan, no? Ayan na yung kisame. Gustong tumingin sa iyong mga mata na nagniningning kahit na saan ka pa. Thank you, Ate Milinay! Pero bakit ba ang layo mo? Laging magkabilang mundo. Pero bakit ba ang layo mo? Pwedeng sa'yo na lang ako nakatitig sa kisame. Kakaisip kung paano sasabihin sa'yo na gusto. Ito ba? Gustong gusto kita. Ayan, okay na? Para na tayo may mic. Okay na ba? Thank you, Jensky. Di sa isip ko di maikaila na ikaw ang tahanan ko. Pero bakit ba lumalayo? Palagi na lang ba ganito? Pero bakit ba ayaw mo? Pwedeng sa'yo na lang ako nakatitig sa kisame. Kakaisip kung paano sasabihin sa'yo na gustong gusto kita. Okay lang kahit hindi mo ko pansinin. Parang naka-mic na ba? Ano man yung lahat na sakit, basta ikaw. Okay lang kahit hindi mo ko pansinin. Kaya ko naman namin lahat ng sakit, basta ikaw. Nakatitig sa kisame, kakaisip kung paano sasabihin sa'yo na gustong kita. Tig sa kisame, kakaisip kung paano sasabihin sa'yo na gustong kita. Uy! Ayan o. Ayan. Ito nga pala yung asawa ko. Buwan ba? Ito ang aking asawa, guys. Night changes. Di naman ako lang naman Oy boy, di ganon. Ayaw mo sila, mga malaking inggit lang sa'yo yun. Baka meron kasi silang sinusupport na nakasama mo dati, tapos dahil nga hindi mo na nakakasama, kaya ka binabash ngayon. Diba? Hayaan mo sila. Importante, masaya tayo. Okay? Masaya tayo. Hindi tayo na mapaghiwalay, kahit anong ginagawa nila, di ba? Naman, wala tuloy. Gawin ko na nga lang itong wallpaper. Wallpaper ko na lang. Huy, Goku! Stop mo yan! Gawin ko wallpaper yung asawa ko. Yum! Ito na.
Use trip coins like cash. Start a rewarding journey today.
Ako na para mas malaki. Wait lang. Guys, hanggang 9, lang ako, 9:20 na ako. Nakatitig sa kisame, kakaisip kung paano sasabihin sa'yo na gusto. Okay lang mo, basta ikaw, walang tatagalang oras. Kung paano sasabihin sa'yo na gusto kita. Nakatitig sa kisame, kakaisip kung paano sasabihin sa'yo na gusto kita. Okay lang kahit hindi mo ko pansinin. Wait lang, guys. Coco, stop ha. Stop mo yung paglalaro ng plastic. Coco! Stop na! Stop na! Nauuto na ha! Ay! Gagi! No! Joke lang. Yan. Nakatitig sa kisame. Good evening, Secretary is Lovely. Wait na po, guys. Meron tayong ayos. Sasabihin sa'yo na gusto mo. Ano ba? Hayaan mo sila. Di mo ako pineflex? Paano di pineflex? I-flex mo naman ako. Hayaan mo sila, mamatay sila sa inggit. Inaano sila sa'yo kasi masaya yung relationship mo sa amin. Na silang manong butas kasi sa atin para mapaghiwalay tayo, kaya ganyan sila. Sasaya sila pagka naghiwalay tayo, sasaya sila pagka nag-away tayo, sasaya sila pagka naapektuhan tayo sa mga pinagsasasabi nila. Diba? Hayaan mo sila. Importante, malaga. Akin ka. Ayan, yung friend. Kahit hindi mo ako pansinin, talaga, Ate Melanie. Mabilis tayo. Mabilis pa tayo sa alas 4. May double-sided tape pa nga ako eh. Sige, bukas, Jacqueline. Yan, okay. Let's go! Let's sing along! Okay, night changes. Yan. Oh, 50 lang guys. Ano yan? Matibay yung ano yan, makapal. Makapal yung papel. Makapal yung papel kasi kapal ng mukha ng mga nagbabash. Yan, okay. Night changes tayo guys. Come on! Oh, meron pa. Maglalagay pa tayo. Meron pa ako dito, guys. Ilalagay natin to. Coco, wag mong paglaruan yung plastic. Ang kulit. Yung kulit. Meron pa ako dito.
Okay ka na. Wala kasi manuan.
Si nanay, napamahal siya sa pusa. Ngayon ka lang nahilig na ano sa pusa, nanay.
Okay. Kaya parang bata eh. Parang kawawa. Iwan, gano'n.
Nakatitig sa kisame. Okay. Alright. Alright. Let's go. Let's sing. O guys yung mga magtitip dyan. Let's go. Tonight. Nawala tuloy ako. Nawala yung tono ko. Okay na eh. Okay na sana papasok yung tono ko eh. Maayos-ayos eh. Nawala eh. Pwede naman natin Melanie yan. Tonight it changes into something red. Her mother doesn't like that kind of dress. Everything she never had, she's showing off. Parang mataas ata. Ay, hindi pala nakakonect. Nakakonect pala sa ano kaya nag-i-stop ulitin ko guys. Going out tonight changes into something red. Her mother doesn't like that kind of dress. Everything she never had, she's showing off. Driving too fast, movies breaking through her hair. She's heading for something that she won't forget. Having no regrets is all that she really ba't ganito kasi? Nagto nga ako sa ano? Ganon. Sira yung kanta, guys. Sira yung kanta.
Mom, did you know?
Bakit ganun yung kanta sira? Hindi maayos ang gawa nila.
So don't just use any...
Really? into something red. Her mother doesn't like that kind of dress. Everything she never had, she's showing off. Driving too fast, moon is breaking through her hair. She's heading for something that she won't forget. Having no regrets is all that she really wants. Only getting older, babe. And I've been thinking about it lately. Does it ever drive you crazy? Just how fast the night changes. Everything that you've never dreamed of disappearing when you wake up. But there's nothing to be afraid of. Even when the night changes, it will never change me. Chasing her tonight, doubts are running round her head. He's waiting, hides behind a cigarette. Heart is beating loud and she doesn't want to stop. Hi Yeti Manis, I'm okay. Moving too fast, the moon is lighting up her skin. She's falling, doesn't even know it yet. Having no regrets is all that she really wants. We're only getting older, baby, and I've been thinking about it lately. Does it ever drive you crazy? Just how fast the night changes. Everything that you ever dream of disappearing when you wake up. But there's nothing to be afraid of. Even when the night changes, it will never change me and you. Going out tonight changes into something red. Her mother doesn't like that kind of dress. Reminds of amazing piece of innocence she loves. We're only getting older, baby, and I've been thinking about it lately. Does it ever drive you crazy? Just how fast the night changes. Hi Pam Pam, everything that you ever dreamed of disappearing when you wake up. But there's nothing to be afraid of. Even when the night changes, it will never change, boo-boo. It will never change, boo-boo. It will never change me and you. Anong next song, guys? Mga magre-request dyan, ha? Thank you, Jensky! Thank you so much! Ano pangalan natin? Pem-pem ano na eh. Kita-kit sa Pride, March. Night, doon na lang kayo sa kamang matulog. Doon na lang kasi aalis din kami, di ba? Dito na lang ako sa baba muna. Para di ko kayo maano kasi mag-ano ako ng damit ko sa cabinet.
Sidya ko din sa...
Doon.
Mataas.
Oh.
Sa lugar ng Pinas.
Alam,
sa dyan, sabi dyan.
andito.
Ay, mayroon.
Ito, sa ito.
Oo, kaya pala.
Guys, request na kayo ng kanta, guys. Request kayo ng kanta kay nanay, dali. May tip to, ayaw mo. Oh, gusto. Palagi, okay, shop. I will sing palagi. Ayan, palagi. Okay, palagi. Ayan.
Orange 10,000 pesos with a daily interest rate of
Kakanta si nanay, listen. Kakanta siya pa. Ganti-ganti rin pag may time, diba? Dapat nanay ko yung listen. Okay lang, nanay. Ano request ka? No problem. kahit na hindi ka mag-tip, okay lang na NP. No problem yun. Thank you, AD! Minsan araw-araw na nagkawiti, ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi. Okay lang na Elvin. Di na mabilang ang ating mga tungkuhan. Away ba't di natin di na namamalayan? Okay lang kahit walang tip. Eto sa huli palagi, babalik pa rin sa'yo sa huli palagi, pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako palagi. Okay lang guys, request kayo kahit walang tip, ayos lang po. Okay na ako sa mga rose. Balikan man ang hirap lahat. Ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon at sige, Adria! Magbalikiran ang ingay at ng dulong. Uy, Fred! Di ko pa papalit, hindi mo sa mundo. Eto tayo sa... Nahiya tuloy ako kay paring Eka. Babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. See you, Fred! Sa huli palagi, pipiliin ko maging magiging man. Nais kong malaman, iyo ako. Sa pagdating ng ating pinakaginto, sumante may abutin, ikaw pa rin ang bibig at tatangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huling siklo. Sa huli palagi, babalik pa rin sa yakap, mahal sa huli palagi, pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman, iyo ako palagi. Dito. Okay, may request. Same ground pala na same ground. Taray, feeling singers ako dito. May mga nagre-request. Ay, asawa ko. Pipiliin maging sa'yo palagi, asawa ko. My love, it's been a long time since I cried and left you out of the blue. Ayan, sige, ikaw naman nag-podcast mamaya po. It's hard leaving you the way you never wanted to. Self-denial was a game you never would have wanted to. That was you. Because the hell in the love is the only we can imagine. More it wins, the more I'm gonna let you go. don't understand why I'm feeling so bad when I know it was my idea. I can't deny the truth. Now I'm the only one standing stranded on the same ground. Mas magaling mag-podcast yan, yung bubo ko. Mas marami kayong matututunan sa kanya. Wala ba? My love, it's been a long time since you cried and left you out of the blue. It's hard leaving you the way what I never wanted to. Self-denial is a game stranger never would have wanted to. There was you. Because I've learned that love a piece of work is truly a bit too much. Hindi ko na alam to. I don't understand why I'm feeling so bad now when I know it was my idea. I can't just deny the truth. Now I'm the only one standing stranded on the same ground. Mga pang-real talk, makakaranas kayo kay Bubu mamaya. Sabi ko sa inyo, magaling yung salitain. Oo, masak man-real talk yan, kaya maganda kayo mamaya. Thank you, Bo. I don't understand why I'm feeling so bad now when I know it was my idea. I can't just deny the truth. Now I'm the only one standing stranded on the same. Babalik mo yan. Anong babalik mo yan? Ay, babalik ko yun. Diyos mo yung Marimar. To love me. Hello mo. Hindi ko na alam tong gulo at Ria. O, next na tayo. Ate Ria, thank you na ano ko yung message mo sa akin. Maraming salamat sa yung ano yun? Wait lang, hindi ko nabasa matindi. Wait lang. Thank you, Ate Ria.
Vampire, right? What happened, Bella?
What happened, no? Without you po, Ate Pabi, Vanessa G. I say, hey, it's me. Wait lang, 25 minutes? Okay. 25 minutes muna, nauna siya eh. Hanggang 9:30 lang po ako, Grace, ha? Kaya request. 6 na kanta na lang tong natitira kong oras. I don't understand. I'm feeling so bad now when I know it was my idea. I can't just deny it. Ba, huwag mo ano yung mga ano. Pau.
Tingnan lang.
Sige. Okay, wait. 25 minutes. 25 minutes too late. Yan. Okay, sige. Buti na lang. Alam ko yung mga nare-request nyo. Nagkakahalata na ng edad dito.
Hindi yung mga nakakagano na yun.
Ha?
Nasa exam mo dati.
Ayan na, 25 minutes.
Gusto ko na mami.
Gusto mo na magkanta? Diyos mo yung Marimar, may nangaagaw na ng ano ko dito, trono. There's so time, finally made up my mind. She's the girl, and I really want to make her mine. Thank you, Joby! Still searching. Sige, pakatayin siya po. To find her again, to tell her I love her, and I'm sorry about the things I've done. I find her standing in front of the church, the only place in town where I didn't search. She looks so happy in her wedding dress, but she's crying while she's saying this. Boy, I miss your kisses all the time, but this is 25 minutes too late. Don't you travel so far, boy, I'm sorry you are 25 minutes too late. Against the wind, I'm going home again. Sige, may nadya ako din. Wishing me back to the time when we were more than friends, but still I see her in front of the church, the only place in town where I didn't search. She looks so happy in her wedding dress, but she cried while she was saying this. Boy, I miss your kisses all the time, but this is 25 minutes too late. Thank you, Len Contilias. Though you travel so far, boy, I'm sorry you are 25 minutes too late. Out in the streets, places where hungry hearts have nothing to eat. Inside my head, still I can hear the words she said. Boy, I miss your kisses all the time, but this is 25 minutes too late. Don't you travel so far, boy, I'm sorry you are 25 minutes too late. Boy, I miss your kisses all the time, but this is 25 minutes too late. Don't you travel so far, boy, I'm sorry you are 25 minutes too late. She's the girl and I really want to make her mine. Ano, paano ba yun, Jacqueline? Sino kumanta nun? Anong girl? Anong girl yan, ano? Ate Melanie. Girl. Anong girl? May girl ba na karaoke? Ano yun? Immaculate?
Sun damage, new Pond's
Immaculate?
sunscreen. Times 3 hydrating power to instantly hydrate and repair skin.
Wait,
Immaculate ba kumanta nun? Girl? Ate Melanie?
Okay lang ba? May more shrimp soups tayo.
Akala ko naman. Oo nga, no, girl. Oo nga eh, napakla ako dun. Diyos mo yung Marimar. Ano tayo na iba? Uy, mag-request na kayo guys kasi hanggang 9:30 lang ako. Hinanap ko pa man din yung girl sa karaoke. Akala ko nag-request si Ate Milan. Ano ba kakantayin mo, Pao?
Sila mag-comment.
Ha?
Sila mag-comment.
Sila mag-comment. Parting time. Ay! Ito na kulog. Picture. Tingnan mo sa ilalim ng picture. I'll never go. Sige. I remember the day. Sunod yan natin, Melanie. When you're here with me. Those laughters and tears we shared for years. Memories that we had for so long, it's me and you. Now you're gone away, you left me all alone. Go on, do what you want, but please don't leave me. You break my heart. Hey, what should I do? Babe, I'm missing you. Please don't disappear. These are the words that you should hear. Time and time again, I wish that you were here. I don't wanna lose you, girl. I need you back to me. I don't wanna lose you, baby. Can't you see? Oh, I need you. You've been a part of me. I wish someday you'll be back home, 'cause I really miss you, darling. Please come home. Thank you, Kalwarga si Daeng. Next natin yung I'll Never Go, request ni Ate Melanie. After na I'll Never Go, si Popo naman ang kakanta kasi kanina pa nandito sa gilid ko. Nag-aantay. Nag-enjoy. Thank you, makapal ang mukha mo. I wish someday you'll be back home, 'cause I really miss you, darling. Please come home. Good evening, Hannah. Okay, ito na yung I'll Never Go. Tapos next na si Pau Pau. Nag-aantay na siya ng kanyang turn. I'll Never Go. Okay, ito na. Okay, ito mag-request kay Pau Pau kung anong kakantayin. Nagpapa-request na siya. Pati siya nakikirek-request na din.
Hindi ko din alam kung anong kakasin.
Okay, sige. Request daw kayong kanta sa kanya, guys. Hindi niya alam yun, Hates Me. You would always ask me those words I say and tell me what it means to me. Every single day, you always act this way. For how many times I love you, for this is all I know. Come to me and hold me, and you will see our love first time. Every single day, you always act this way. For how many times I told you I love you, for this is all I know. I'll never that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. Come to me and you will see the love where you still hold the key. Every single day you always act this way. For how many times you told me I love you, for this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. I'll never go far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from, never go far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. Taray, bumabalik yung mga yellow hearts ha. Ayan Ate Melanie. Ayan na po ang I'll Never Go. Ayan. Ito. Kakanta naman si Pau Pau, Pretty Little Baby daw. Ayan na po.
Touch Build Life with probiotics plus prebiotic fibers for a healthier tummy and stronger immunity. Upgrade na! Always on the go? Go fresh with a light shower format.
Thank you, Ate Melanie! Yeah! Thank you! Ayan na po. Lakas ang boses mo ah. Daw. Tayo ka. Dito, tayo. Lakas mo.
Or in the daylight, pretending to be. I'm so in love with you.
Lakas daw po. Tayo ka tuloy para mo din ito ka. Okay. Lakas mo. Ayan! Tapos na! Ayan. Ano yung next natin? Gusto nyo ba? Ito yung... Let me be the one. Gusto nyo ba yun? Let me be the one. Ito, let me be the one. Meron pa tayong 15 minutes, guys. Let me be the one. Lang, guys. Somebody told me you were leaving. I didn't. Somebody told me you're unhappy, but it doesn't show. Somebody told me that you don't want me no more. No. So you're walking out the door. Nobody told me you've been crying every night. Nobody told me you've been dying, but didn't want to fight. Nobody told me that you fell in love for me. So I'm setting you free. Let me be the one to break it up, so you won't have to make excuses. We don't need to find a setup where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say our love was true, but it's now become a lie. So I'm telling you I love you one last time, and goodbye. Next natin, One Last Cry. Somebody told me you still love me. I don't know. Nobody told me that you only needed time to fly. Somebody told me that you want to come back. Love is real again. Hello, Alexa. Let me be the one to break it up, so you won't have to make excuses. We don't need to find a setup where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say our love was true, but it's now become a lie. So I'm telling you I love you one last time, and goodbye. Just turn around and walk away. You don't have to live like this, no. But if you love me still, then stay. Don't keep me waiting for that final kiss. We can work together through this distance, or we can work through it apart. I just need to get this off my chest, that you will always have my heart. Let me be the one to break it up, so you won't have to make excuses. We don't need to find a setup where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say our love was true, but it's now become a lie. So I'm telling you I love you one last time, and goodbye. Last na to. Tapos si Momo naman. Pero baka may request po kayo dun, guys.
Sweet fragrance plus savage performance. Do both, just like the new Rexona Vitamin Plus breath.
Para masulit ang aking oras ng pag-live. Ito, one last cry. Thank you, Mali. Thank you, Jensky. Angie, tignan natin kung maabot pa ng time mamaya. I shattered things and broken heart. I'm ending on the shelf. I saw you holding hands, standing close to someone else. Now I see all alone, wishing all my feelings gone. I gave my best to you, nothing for me to do. But I one last cry, before I leave it all behind. I've gotta put you out of my mind this time. Still living a lie. I guess I'm down to my last cry. I was here, you were there. Guess we never could agree. While the sun shines on you, I need some love to rain on me. Still I sit all alone, wishing all my feelings gone. Got a girl for you, nothing for me to do. But one last cry, before I leave it all behind. I gotta put you out of my mind this time. Stop living a lie. I know I've gotta be strong, 'cause round me life goes on and on and on and on. You by Gigi Delano. Sige, paano ba yun? Sige na. Sige, Ate Milami. I'm gonna dry my eyes right after I had mine. One last cry, before I leave it all behind. I've gotta put you out of my mind for every last time. It's been a living life. I guess I'm down. I guess I'm down. I guess I'm down to my last cry. Ayan. You by Gigi Delano. Diyos mo, ano ba to? Mukhang mataas to ah. Ate Melanie, mataas to ah.
Saan?
Pwede ba yung mababang version nito, Ate Melanie? Pwede ba yung mababang version? Di bang mataas boses ko eh. Basil Valdez na lang, okay lang?
Ready to enjoy more chicken choice moments?
Yan, same lang naman yan eh. Okay na, sige. Hi, Joanna Villalba. You give me hope, strength, will to keep on. No one else can make me feel this way. Hindi naman kasi ako singer, Mang Kanor. And only you can bring out all the best I can do. I believe you turn the tide and make me feel real good inside. You push me up when I'm about to give up. You're on this side and no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know the tears can help but show. You break this heart, tear it apart, and suddenly the my past start. It's your smile, your face, your lips that I miss. Those sweet little eyes that stare at me and make me say I'm with you through all the way, 'cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. It changes everything you see when I'm with you. You push me up when I'm about to give up. You're on my side and no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know the tears can help but show. You break this heart, turn it apart. Suddenly you might next time. Hindi talaga ako sige. It's your smile, your face, your lips that I miss. Those sweet little eyes that stare at me and make me say I'm with you through all the way, 'cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. It changes everything you see, but I know I've got you in me. Hindi na, ako, aminado ko, di ako singer. Your face, your lips that I miss. The sweet little eyes that stare at me and make me say I'm with you through all the way, 'cause it's you fills the emptiness it's me. It changes everything you see when I know I've got you with me. Kung gusto mo ng singer, mamayang 9:30. Ngayon na pala, punta ka doon. Kung kilala mo, ang bibi ko, si Cassie B. Hindi, admit ko na yun. Talagang di ako singer. Pawakanta ka perfect. Kakanta doon ng perfect. Kakanta ka perfect po. Anong gusto mo kantayin? Last na si Pau po, guys. Mag-e-end na po ako. Last na si Pau. Ano yung sa'yo, Pau? Perfect?
Sino?
Perfect nga. Alam mo yung perfect? Hindi. Ano gusto mo kantayin? Dali na. Last na.
Sino yung mag-request?
Gusto mo favorite girl? Ay, favorite girl daw.
Sinasabi.
Si Charlene Jachanova, tapos sabi ni Tita Mila, ni Kanta ka na, Pao. O, dali. Favorite girl.
Lakas mo,
Pero hindi ko na alam ang favorite yung
Eh, ano, dali, bigyan mo ko ng, last na. Si Mami kasi na.
pero na.
Ano nga?
Hindi ko mag-favorite.
Favorite girl nga daw gusto.
Basta favorite girl.
O, gusto mo, perfect. You look perfect tonight. Okay, gusto mo beanie, yung beanie. Gusto mo salamin o kaya pantropiko.
Hindi na.
Anong gusto mo kanta ng beanie?
Ako pili.
Ano nga? Dali na. Ano nga? I-search yun.
Bini na lang ngayon, bini karaoke. Ako pili.
Oh, last na to. Last na. Isang kanta lang daw si Pao. Ano?
Blink twice.
Alam mo yan? Sure ka? Okay. Last na to. Bu. Ikaw na. Si Pao lang. Isang kanta na lang. Ah. Hindi ko na alam eh. Hindi ko alam yan. Dapat yung alam mo. Lakas mo. Sa palitan? Ano papalit mo? Yung kaya mo. Alam mo yung blue. Alam ko na. Die with a smile. So, yan. Die with a smile. Ito last na guys. Die with a smile. Ayan. Okay. Last na to. Ito. Papaw.
Colors PH.
Singer kasi si Mang Tanor ata. Singer. I just woke up from a dream where you and I had to say goodbye. That's why you know me. But since I survived, I realized wherever you go, that's where I follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. Lakas. Lakas. Meron talaga, Mang Tanor. Antay ka lang. Pag laki na ito, kahit hindi pa lumaki, may potential talaga to. Tita Melanie. Thank you kay Tita Melanie. Bibigay ko sa'yo. Bibigay pang baon. Pabili mong baon. Thank you kay Tita Melanie. Thank you kay Tita Melanie. Thank you kay Tita Melanie. Binigyan ka nga tip pang baon. Pabili ng baon. Hindi ka magla-lunchbox. Ang lapit-lapit lang ng bahay mo sa school. Oh, katay mo na. Katay mo na. I wanna hold you just for fun. Ala na. Kalimutan na. If the world was ending, siya nagre-request talaga ng kumanta. Tapos, ganyan yung mukha niya. Tignan mo. Parang, di ba favorite mo nga yan? Kinakanta mo nga yan. Saan? Oh, guys! Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nag-stay, nag-tap-tap-tap, nag-share, nag-comment, nag-request, nag-drop, nag-tip. Maraming salamat po. See you po. Ayan, magla-live po si Bubo ngayon. Tapos na po ako. Tapos bukas po ulit. See you tomorrow. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Sa araw-araw na pagsuporta sa amin. Maraming salamat. Sana'y pagpalain kayo ni Lord. At sana ay maraming blessing pa ang dumating sa inyo. Sa atin. Para tuloy-tuloy lang ang ating kasiyahan. Bye-bye, guys! Bye! Bye-bye na. Magbabawi na ang Pabpaw. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you. Punta na kayo sa live ni Bubo. Bye-bye.